Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use video layout on Instagram Reels. So here I'm going to click on the plus icon on Instagram and click on Reels, this one. Okay, so here is the Reel camera. So if you use you can see at the left panel there is this icon. So this is the video layout option. So you can choose a video layout to add more than one videos, and it is used as like a frame or as collage. So I'm going to just choose on this. So I'm going to add two different videos. So the video layout is very useful if you want to add more or shoot more than one videos in one reel. So there are two different videos. So for example, okay, I'm going to shoot on this like this, and for the second video I'm going to just okay, so just like that, click on the check icon. Okay, so it's now processing. Okay, so I'm going to click on preview. Okay, so as you can see, you can add two or more different videos and reels by using the video layout. I think it's very helpful when you want to create reels but you want to add more than one videos. Okay, so I think that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.